Good morning, students. Chapter 2, Units and Measurement. Yes, we have completed all theories. Now we will see some questions. We will see some MCQs. Okay. See, if force F, velocity V, and time T are taken as fundamental units, the dimensions of mass are. Yes, you are given for option A, B, C, and D. Yes, we can solve such questions with the help of two methods. First method that you know, that is application of dimensional analysis, that yes, as you have to find dimensions of mass, you have to assume okay, m is proportional to f raised to a, b raised to b, and t raised to c. And then yes, there is one method, and with the help of that method you can find what is value of a, b, c, and you will get your answer. Here we will see another method. Okay, here we will see another method. Which method? See, you have to find dimensions of mass. What is dimension of mass? Yes, it is m. Yes, it is m. Okay. You are given four quantities. You are given four quantities. First quantity is force. What is dimensional formula of force? Yes, dimensional formula of force is m1 l1 t minus 2. What is dimensional formula of Newton's velocity? Yes, its dimensional formula is l1 t minus 1. And dimensional formula of capital T, that is time, its dimensional formula is here is t. Yes, you know dimensional formula of each and every quantity. Now, you have to find dimensions of mass means f, v, t minus 1. If you put dimensional formula of f, v, and t, and if you get your answer m1, then this equation is right. Otherwise, it is wrong. How to check? See, first of all, we will check option A. First of all, we will check option A. Yes, what is option A? F, v, t minus 1. F, v, t minus 1. Okay, F, v, t minus 1. What is dimensional formula of force? Here it is. M1, L1, t minus 2. Dimensional formula of P, L1, t minus 1. And dimensional formula of T minus 1. T minus 1. For T it is T1. So for T minus 1 it is T minus 1. T minus 1. Clear about this? So see what happens here. What happens here? It is M1, only one term. So yes, it is M1. L1 means it is L2. And here it is T minus 2. Is this answer equal to M1? No, it's option A is wrong. So now we have to check option B. That is F, V, t minus 2. What is dimensional formula of f, v, t minus 2? See, f dimensional formula m1, l1, t minus 2. For velocity it is l1, t minus 1, l1, t minus 1. Sorry, here t minus 2, t minus 1, t minus 1. So it will become t minus 4. It will become t minus 4. Okay, m1, yes, m1, l2, yes, l2, it is t minus 4. Here, f, m1, l1, t minus 2, v, n minus 1, t raised to minus 2. So yes, this t raised to minus 2. Okay, t raised to minus 2. Then what happens to the surface dimensional formula? See, only m1. So just it is m1, l1 means it is l2. And what about t minus 2, t minus 1, t minus 2? So it is t minus 1. So yes, option D is also wrong. Now option C. What is option C? F, v minus 1, t minus 1. F, v minus 1, t minus 1. Then what happens? See, then what happens? See, F, this is dimensional formula. M1, L1, t minus 2. V minus 1 means it is dimensional formula of V. V minus 1 means it is L minus 1 and t. Simple. If it is dimensional formula of V, that is L1, t minus 1. What is dimensional formula of V minus 1? L minus 1, t1. And then it is t minus 1. So it is yes, t minus 1. Clear about this? Okay. So yes, how to find this? Yes, how to find this? M. There's only one term that is having M. So this M1. L1, L minus 1. So it will become L0. Then about T minus 2, T1, T minus 1. So this T minus 1, T1 cancel out. Then it is only T minus 2. Yes, this option is also wrong. Now, option D only, that is F, V minus 1, T. How to put its dimensional formula? What is dimensional formula of force? It is M1, L1, T minus 2. V minus 1 means again it is L minus 1, it is T1. Okay, T, yes, T for less is T. Then how to simplify this? See, N1, it is N1. L1, L minus 1 means it is L0. T minus 2, T1 and T1. T minus 2, T1 and T1, so it is T2. So yes, obviously it is also T0. So is equal to only M1. So see, here it is. For option A, what is dimension formula? This one, not equal to M, not equal to M, not equal to M. Here it is equal to M. So what is dimensions of M? Yes, dimensions of M is equal to, it is last one option, that is Fp minus 1t. Fp minus 1t. So yes, with the help of this method, you can solve questions in short time. But for that, you have to remember dimensional formula for each and every quantity. Okay, now we will see next question. What is next question? See, b is equal to a square cos square 2 pi b omega upon alpha. Units of a meter, of alpha second inverse, of beta meter second inverse, and whole raised to minus 1. Then find unit of beta and gamma. Yes, you have to find unit of beta and gamma. How to find such units? See, it is meter second minus 1. I can simplify this. See, I can simplify this. I can write this is equal to meter raised to minus 1 and second, because minus will become plus. Clear? Okay? Yes, so it is meter minus 1 second. Now I have to find units of beta and gamma. Beta and gamma. Okay, b, here it is b. B is equal to a square cos square 2 pi beta upon gamma. See how to write. Beta is equal to, b is equal to a square cos square 2 pi beta gamma upon alpha. We know limitations of dimensional analysis. Trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, and exponential functions, they are dimensionless. So here this whole term is dimensionless. This whole term is dimensionless. It is dimensionless. So I can write dimensions of b is equal to dimensions of a square, because this whole term is dimensionless. So yes, dimensions of b is equal to, or unit of b is equal to unit of a square. Unit of a square. What is unit of a? Meter. So unit of a square, it is meter square. Simple. It is simple. Now, how to find unit of gamma? So see, yes, here as this cos square 2 pi beta omega upon alpha is dimensionless. So 2 pi beta gamma upon alpha is dimensionless. I can write 2 pi beta gamma upon alpha is equal to 1. Now, as you have to find unit of gamma, make it subject. Then gamma is equal to alpha upon 2 pi beta. It is alpha upon 2 pi beta. Clear about this? So yes, now we have to put unit. Okay, unit of gamma is equal to alpha. What is rate of alpha? It is second minus 1. Divided by 2 constant, pi constant, no unit. Beta, what is rate of beta? It is meter minus 1, and here it is second. And here it is second. Now if I take this meter inverse in numerator, it will become meter. Second will become negative, so it is second is to minus 2. It is second is to minus. Clear about this? So yes, it is one easy question that you have to find unit of b and gamma. Clear about this? Okay, now next question. Okay, now next question. See, p plus a upon b square into b minus b is equal to rb. Find dimensional formula of a and b, where p is pressure, b is volume, and t is temperature. Yes, you are given one equation, p plus a upon b square, b minus b is equal to rb, and you have to find dimensions of a and b. See, yes, you do not have to simplify this equation. Why? We have to find dimensions of a and b. So first of all, identify where is a and where is b. Here it is a, p plus a upon b square, and here it is b minus b. Yes, we know that. Remember, first application of dimensional analysis. Okay, we can add or subtract quantities if they have same dimensions. if they have same dimensions. Yes or no? Plus or minus of quantities takes place when they have same dimensions. Mass is added in mass, but mass is not added in time. Yes or no? Yes. So if here in this equation we have P plus A upon V square, it means dimensions of P is equal to dimensions of A upon V square. Here as P plus A upon V square. So here P plus is A upon V square. And here P plus only first term A upon V square. It means dimensions of P is equal to dimensions of A upon dimensions of P square. So how to find dimensions of A? Dimensions of A is equal to dimensions of P into dimensions of P square. P, that is pressure. What is dimension of pressure? It is M1, L minus 1, T minus 2. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Okay. And what is dimension of V? Dimension of V is L cube. But here it is V square. So here it is L6. Okay. So yes, here it is M1, L minus 1, L6. So it is L5 and here it is 3 minus 2. And here it is T minus 2. Clear about this? So it is dimensional formula of A. Now, how to find dimensional formula of B? See, where is B? It is V minus P. So what is meaning of V minus P? V minus P means there is subtraction between V and B. There is a subtraction between V and B. So the dimensions of the units are same. So dimensions of V is equal to dimension of B. So dimensions of B is L. Dimensions of B it is L. It is dimension of A and it is dimensions of B. Clear? So again, what you have to remember, P plus A upon V square. There is addition of these two terms. Addition of these two terms means the dimensions are same. Means the dimensions are same. Clear about this? So yes, you have to remember how to solve such questions. Okay. Now, next question is, see, formula W is equal to A raised to 4 big Q upon C raised to 1 by 3 root D. If percentage errors in A, B, C and D are respectively 2%, 1%, 6% and 4%, then calculate percentage error in W. Then calculate percentage error in W. Yes, you are given this equation, W. W is equal to, yes, W is equal to A raised to 4 big Q divided by C raised to 1 by 3 and here it is 2. You have to find percentage error. So first of all we will find relative error, and as each and every term they are in multiplication and division, how to write? Yes, delta W upon W is equal to A raised to 4 means 4 delta A upon A plus BQ means 3 delta B upon B. Okay. Plus C raised to 1 by 3 means 1 by 3 delta C upon C. And D root means it is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 delta B upon P. Now as you have to find percentage error, how to write this? See, delta W upon W into 100 is equal to 4. I can multiply this 100 to each and every term. Delta A upon A into 100 plus 3 delta B upon B into 100 plus 1 upon 3 delta C upon C into 100 plus 1 upon 2 delta D upon D into 100. Clear about this? So yes, it is equation. Now is equal to 4. Percentage error in A, it means delta A upon A into 100 is equal to 2%. Is equal to 2%. Percentage error in B means delta B upon B into 100 is equal to 1%. Is equal to 1% plus delta C upon C into 100 means percentage error in C and it is 6%. Okay, and plus delta D upon D into 100 means percentage error in D and it is 4%. It is 4%. And now you have to simplify this. 4 into 2, 8%, plus 3 into 1, 3%, plus 6 divided by 3, it is 2%, and plus 4 divided by 2, it is 2%. Clear? And now, okay? So yes, it is 8 plus 3, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? 3 plus 2 plus 2, 4 and 3 is 7, 7 and 8 it is 7 and 8 is 15. So yes, it is 15%. Clear about this? So yes, it is how to solve such questions based on error. Okay? Now next question, see, here it is. Now next question, see, V is equal to AE plus V upon T plus C. Find dimensions of A, B and C, where V is velocity and T is time. Yes, you are given one whole equation, that is V is equal to AT plus V upon T plus C upon T plus C. We know that addition and subtraction is possible in each and every term having same dimensions. So how to write meaning of this equation? Yes, I can write dimensions of V is equal to dimensions of AB is equal to dimensions of B upon T plus C. Dimensions of B upon T plus C. Clear about this equation? Okay. Now, first, I can compare these two equations. Okay, B is equal to, it is 80. So, dimensional formula of A is equal to dimensional formula of B upon dimensional formula of T. B, velocity is dimensional formula L T minus 1. And our time is T. So, is equal to it is L T minus 2. It is L T minus. Clear about this? It is dimensional formula of dimensional formula of A. Now how to find dimensional formula of B and C? See, here it is. T plus C, T plus C, T plus C. There is addition between T and C. Yes, there is addition between T and C. So what is meaning of this? Yes, meaning of this is dimension of T is equal to dimension of C. Okay, and what is dimension of T? It is T1. It is T1. So yes, first answer is this one. The dimension of T is equal to it is L1 T minus 2. Dimension of C is equal to it is T1. Now how to find dimensions of B? How to find dimensions of B? See, I can make this to as subject. If I compare this to, okay, that is dimension of B is equal to dimension of B upon T plus C. So dimension of B is equal to dimension of B into dimension of T plus C is equal to V, velocity, its dimension L T minus 1 T plus C. M1 is equal to 5 kg. M2 is equal to 10 kg. So their addition is 15 kg. 15 kg. So if unit of T is second, then unit of C is also second, then result of their addition also has unit second. Then T plus C. Okay, what is dimensional formula of C? It is T1. What is dimensional formula of T? It is T1. And what is dimensional formula of T plus C? It is also T1. So T1, T minus 1 cut, it is only L. It is only L. So it is dimensional formula of B. Clear about this? So yes, how to find dimensional formula if you are given one equation like this. Okay, now last question for today's lecture. A is equal to 2.5 plus or minus 0.5 meter per second. B is equal to 0.10 plus or minus 0.01 second. You have to find value of AB. Now you have to find value of AB means average value of AB as well as average absolute error in AB. So first of all, how to find average value? How to find average value? Yes, to find average value is simple. AB is equal to what is average value of A? It is 2.5. Okay, and what is average value of B? It is 0.10. Clear? So yes, you will get average value that you have to find. Then how to find average absolute error? How to find average absolute error? Average absolute error. How to find? Yes, AB. You have to find value of AB. So I mean that Z is equal to AB. I mean that Z is equal to AB. Okay, that value of Z, we have to find value of AB. So I am assuming that AB is equal to Z. Then delta z upon z is equal to delta z upon z is equal to it is AB means it is delta A upon A plus delta B upon B. Delta B upon B. So therefore delta z is equal to delta A upon A plus delta B upon B into z. Okay, so from here you will get value of z. From here you will get value of delta z, and then at last you have to write your answer. Okay, z is equal to z plus or minus delta z. Z is value plus or minus delta z you will get from this. Okay, and yes, you have to write this answer compulsory in comment box. Clear? So yes, today we have solved 6 questions, and this is it for today.